In today's video, I'm going to teach you GoHighLevel. Call transcriptions. How to transcribe your calls in GoHighLevel. Call transcriptions turn your phone conversations into searchable text, making it easier to review key details, coach your team, and keep accurate records. In just a few clicks, you can enable this feature inside your GoHighLevel account. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, along with a few tips to help everything go smoothly. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your main workspace where you manage conversations, pipelines, and reporting. Make sure you're in the correct location or account environment where you want transcriptions enabled, especially if you manage multiple locations. From the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. It's the gear icon. Settings is where you configure all the behind-the-scenes options that affect communication, compliance, and account behavior. If you don't see the option we're heading to next, you may need appropriate permissions from an account admin. Inside Settings, select Phone System. This section controls numbers, call handling, recording, and related voice features. Think of it as the command center for anything related to calling within your GoHighLevel workspace. Within the Phone System area, click the Voice tab. You'll notice different tabs that organize your messaging and calling tools. Voice is where call recording and transcription options live. Opening Voice ensures you're in the right place to manage the audio side of your communications. Next, open the Call Transcription section. This is where GoHighLevel centralizes the controls for turning transcriptions on. You'll see options related to recording and transcribing calls, so you can make sure the system captures what's said during conversations and converts it to text. Finally, click Enable Call Transcription. When you toggle this on, GoHighLevel will begin generating text transcriptions for supported calls in your account. Keep in mind that usage-based costs may apply depending on your plan, and laws vary by region, so make sure you have the proper consent for recording and transcribing calls. Once enabled, transcriptions typically appear alongside call logs and conversations, making it much easier to skim, search, and share insights without replaying the entire audio. That's the full setup. Open your dashboard, go to Settings, choose Phone System, switch to the Voice tab, open Call Transcription, and enable it. With this done, your team can save time, improve accuracy, and quickly surface important details from any call. If something doesn't appear as shown, double-check your location, permissions, and plan features. You're all set to start transcribing calls in GoHighLevel and turn every conversation into actionable, searchable notes.